All eyes are on Nvidia. As the chip giant prepares to release earnings after the close, Wall Street is bracing for a moment that could make, or break, the market rally. Today, we'll break down stock futures, why Nvidia's numbers matter, and which companies are already moving on the AI wave. It all comes down to guidance, and the story management tells. On Wednesday morning, stock futures were essentially flat. Dow Jones futures traded just above the flat line. S&P 500 futures hovered slightly higher. And Nasdaq 100 futures showed modest gains. Investors are in a holding pattern. Nvidia carries the biggest weight in the S&P and has become a market bellwether for AI. Nvidia has beaten earnings estimates in 11 of the past 12 quarters. But in 4 of those reports, the stock still reacted negatively. So the market wants more than strong numbers. It wants a convincing future story. While Nvidia dominates headlines, other companies are showing AI-driven strength. MongoDB popped over 30% after reporting $591 million in revenue tied to AI platform demand. Okta jumped about 5% after beating earnings and revenue, citing AI-driven demand. PVH rose nearly 6% on stronger results. Signs AI is boosting corporate performance across sectors. These early reports set a positive backdrop heading into Nvidia's release. So why does Nvidia matter so much? Because it's not just another stock, it's the engine of the AI revolution. Its GPUs power data centers and generative AI platforms around the world. A strong guidance from Nvidia could lift the Magnificent Seven and propel the market higher. But a miss or cautious guidance could trigger a pullback, especially after last week's sell-off. In short, guidance sets the tone. Not just the quarter's numbers, but how investors see the next several quarters. Fundstrat's Tom Lee put it this way: Nvidia is one of the most important companies in the world, in the middle of the biggest structural change in the world economy. In other words, volatility can happen, but the long-term thesis may remain intact. Investors ask, are we in inning 1 or late innings of AI? This week isn't just about Nvidia. Markets are digesting President Trump's decision to fire Fed Governor Lisa Cook. Wall Street largely looked past the political move, focusing more on macro signals. August can be rough, but this year indexes are tracking gains. The S&P is up 2%, the Dow 2.9%, and the Nasdaq also up about 2%. Optimism about a potential Fed rate cut is keeping sentiment positive. Bottom line, Nvidia's earnings are about market direction. Delivering a strong outlook fuels the bull market. A stumble could create volatility across ETFs and tech. If Nvidia delivers, the AI-driven rally keeps going. If not, expect ripples through the sector. Do you think Nvidia will beat expectations again, or is Wall Street too optimistic? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for daily market updates. Thanks for watching.